Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to draw an ogee curve or reverse curve in between two parallel lines and how to draw a continuous curve of circular arc passing through any number of given points, not in a straight line. First we will see how to draw an ogee curve. For this we have to draw two parallel lines. This is our first line. This is our second line. These two lines are parallel to each other. Now give some names of the endpoints of these lines just like this. Now we have to join this B point and C point by a straight line. Next we have to bisect this BC line. We have to bisect this line. For this, from C point draw an arc here and here, and with the same radius we have to draw arc from B here and here. Next we have to join this intersecting point using a straight line. So this is the bisector and this is the midpoint of this BC line. Next we have to bisect BE and EC. Again we have to bisect BE here and we have to bisect EC here. We will apply the same method. Let's see how. So this is the bisector of this line BE, this portion. Now we have to bisect this portion EC. We will apply the same method. Next we have to draw a perpendicular line from here and we have to draw a perpendicular line from here. Let's see how. This is C1. C1 means center 1. See, we have to draw an arc from C1. We will consider C1 as center and this CB will be radius, just like this. Again we will draw an arc considering C2 as center and C2C, this portion, this line, as radius. So this is ogee curve or reverse curve. We have to dip this line as this is our main object. Here this is completed. Next we will see how to draw continuous curve of circular arc. For this we will take three random points in our drawing sheet. Suppose this is our first point, this is second, and this is third. First we will join this point using straight line. Next we have to bisect this line, this 1 2 and 2 3. We already know how to bisect a line. This is the bisector. Next we will extend this line and this line here so that we can get an intersecting point. Now we will draw an arc considering C1 as center and this is as radius C11 or C12. This is as radius. So this is our continuous curve of circular arcs of 3 points. Now we will add another point. Suppose here this is our fourth point. So join 3 and 4. Now we have to bisect this 3 4 line. Next we will join C1 and 3 and we will extend this. Now we will draw an arc considering C2 as center and C2 3. This is as radius. So this is continuous curve of circular arc of 4 points. Now we will add another point. Suppose here our fifth point. So first we are joining 4 and 5. Next we have to bisect same 4 and 5 this line. So this is the bisector. Next we will join C2 and 4 and extend. Now we will draw an arc considering C3 as center and this C3-4 as radius. So this is our continuous curve of circular arc passing through 5 number of points. We have to dip this curve as this is our main object. Now here this is completed. If you love this video, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.